Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, as well as the Build-A-Page series. I'm using a ScrapRoom kit from October 2021. It is The Best Day by Pinkfresh. So let's see what we have. We've got some basil cardstock in vanilla. I've got a Home Sweet Home piece of pattern paper. Now I have enough in this kit to do at least 2 layouts. I'm just seeing what I have. Kind of digging that. I've got this piece called So Thankful. We have leafy bits, pretty. Got this one right here. It is called Loved This Day. Totally vibing on this blue. I don't know what I'm using. Hello Fall. And then we have this nice plaid. We've got this Love You Always with this really great wreath. Ooh, look at that pattern. And then Remember This Day, we have all these great cut aparts. Ooh, and this beautiful seafoam. I also have a set of puffy stickers. I've got chipboard, great chipboard flair. And let's see what else is here. I have got, ooh, yellow enamel dots. Those are pretty. I've got floral pieces, and then I also have some of the stickers. Guys, this is such a good kit. Awesome. Now I added to it with my Build-A-Page series I've got alphas, I've got some color cast design goodies, and I've got some Heidi Swap little photo corners. So that's cool. The sketch we have for day 25 is by Jessie B. Scrapbooking. So let's see. We've got a really nice thick border with some scrunchy bits. She's got hexies, and I'm looking at that, and I've got the scallop punch that I haven't used yet. So I think I'm going to use them. I recently used a hexie, so I think that I'll do that. A little cluster here, and some sweet clustering, and a title photo. Perfect. This is a really fun sketch to play with. So we have that. Now, really quickly, I've got this photo of some cupcakes. I sent this photo to my family one day. I received a Whole Foods gift card, and I was going through oh, what's here? And these were in the bakery, and they had to come home with me. So they did. So that's my photo. And the reason why I picked this to go with these products is there are some really nice purpley tones. I mean, all of the tones will end up working. So that's cool. So let's spend a moment and decide what we want our background to be, because I do know I want the florals to really have their time to shine. Let's see. And I also remember I'm going to have all of those. Ooh, you know what? What if I have this be my background, because I want to punch out a bunch of the patterns with this scallop. It is a 2 1/4 inch scallop punch. So I want to do that. I got this at Tuesday Morning once upon a time. So this will be my background. Okay. Then I need to figure out which pattern paper I would like to mat the whole thing with. Now it looks like we have a pretty good 1/2 inch border around the whole thing. So I will go ahead and cut this vanilla cardstock 11 by 11. Then I'm looking at it. Do I do this because it has all of the colors? I think I will. I think that would be fun. Okay. Not all that concerned with spending tons of time, because we're just going to try to have fun. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2, 4, 6, 7 of these great scallop pieces, figure out my title, map my photo, all that stuff, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I've got some nice traction. I have my goodies here, my scallops instead of the hexies. I did scuff up these 2 spots just like on the sketch, and I added another pattern paper because I like all of the patterns. Hello. I do need to create a little cluster here, so let's see. Maybe I will grab this same paper here that is so pretty and do a nice little fishtail banner with it. Let's do that really quickly. I love Pinkfresh paper. It is so pretty and sturdy, like sturdy, girdy paper. All right, so I would be able to do a little fishtail banner there, and then, you know, put all of the little goodies that I have here for the decorating. All right, I have to come up with a title, which will sit right here. I'm going to decorate for a little bit, and I'll be back in a moment. So I'm getting closer and closer to done. So photo is where it is on the sketch. Title is where it is on the sketch. And I've got this cluster going here. I have used, what have I used? Oh, I used all of my die cuts. I think that was fun that I was able to get them all layered up. So super fun. That's the flat thing on the bottom. Then I thought I'd look at these stickers and family time, so much fun, blah, 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 blah. So those aren't really working, so I can save that for the next layout. Great. Now let's look at the puffies. I did use one puffy just now, this camera, which, you know, you can pop a camera on anything. Thankful for you. Ooh, I like, see, I have this deep purple here. Like, does that look weird nestled in there? I feel like it should kind of connect. The, I need a little bit of liquid adhesive. The photo or the title just feels like it's floating a little bit. So I was like, I mean, I don't have to. I can always move that though. The foam moves pretty, or the puffies move pretty darn easily. That A wanted to go somewhere. Okay. Love this day. I mean, it's the momentous part of the day was the treats, but I need some pink. So let's go ahead and have that be a nice bright spot of color right down here, which my hand was totally on top of, sorry. All right, I have that. Let me look again really quickly. It's nothing that really, I wonder, hold on. Wonder if doing this, you know, on the slant, work with me for a moment. Sorry if my head's in the way, I'm not sure if it is. If I do that, and then this ends up right here, yep, that's making me happier. Starting to bring that into my title. Ta-ta. Okay, now we're good with this. Let me put that to the side. Let's look at poofies. Pretty much just because I love puffies. So I can bring that, and it brings it in more. Look at this gorgeous floral right here. Now I don't have to use them all because I have so much paper left over that I definitely can have stuff for another layout. Not a biggie. I do like all of those clusters. Why don't I put some of this deep purple right up here as well? You know, I'm kind of showing off the purple cupcake for some reason. I thought it was so pretty. And it had a blackberry right on top. I need something poofy down here. Almost wish I had a smaller flower, but I wonder if, all right, let me try to move this. I'm wondering, there is wondering happening. What if I scooch this guy and then add on this guy? There we go. Very nice little cluster there. So I have lots and lots of the different elements. That's great. Remember, I still have these enamel dots. And I want to get some of these chipboard flair in as well. I think I will go ahead and put a little star right here. The reason why is I'm getting this nice diagonal flow. Got the flow. Love that little flower. Okay, let me see what else I have here. So I've got this great pink, and the great pink is down there, so that's good. First day, hello fall. No, not a fall thing. I think XOXO is exceedingly cute and appropriate to pop up there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I have lots of goodies. I have that one there, that one there. Ooh, I love this pale blue. Like the little pop here. BFFs is just kind of funny. But I have been making sure to get this, you know, the off-white and black in. So I have it here, here, and here, here. Okay, so I think I'm good with that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this cute layout with some enamel dots. I am going to have lots of, I don't know, I'm going to have some of the still shots in just a second. I'm going to have the people who are playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life Challenge, links for them, as well as the gurus at the Build-A-Page series. So that way, if you have any questions or want to see what everybody is up to, also known as shenanigans, they will be right there for you. I'm going to fill in this space just a little bit, and we will be calling this one done. So big thanks to Jessie B. Scrapbooking for showing us this cute, fun sketch. And oh, did I tell you guys these were by Gossamer Blue, the orange, which brings in this great orange shade. I used to love Gossamer Blue. Okay, that's all for now, friends. Bye-bye.